Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are hooking up a stylish and adorable crochet keychain ideas. Get ready to create a cute and amazing style accessories. In this video we will be making a stylish crochet keychain using yarn and techniques. Learn how to crochet a unique, quick and easy crochet keychain ideas. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. To finish, we will attach the key ring and you decor your keychain with the help of different googly eyes, beads, pearls, stones, different flowers and different pearls keychain. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture and embellishment. Add embellishment like button or different pearl, stone and different accessories you use and decor your keychains easily. Try all the keychain using different ring size, and that's it. Your crochet keychain is complete and ready to use. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to let my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. Perfect gift idea for friend and family. Customizable with different color and embellishment. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. And if you want to see more information, more different tutorial ideas, so please tell me in comment section and visit my YouTube channel. If you want to buy these, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, etsy.com, Clicky and my official website BePatron. You visit and order your favorite keychain and different accessories, different ideas, different pattern. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah believe long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. Please share your finished keychain with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new video for crochet accessories and different ideas and tutorial. Happy hooking. We will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and share all the collection with friends, relatives, customers, crochet work experts and others. If you want to see full DIY tutorial, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.